Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a new series where we create a e-commerce store like this. So in this video I am going to give the brief description of our website, how it look and what is the functionality of our website. So first you can see in the top left corner our website logo will be show, logo and the name will be show here, and parallel to that section a search button also showing and a sign in button also, which is a clickable, where the user can sign in using the Google account and the phone number. After that you can see the home section, shop, services, about and contact. After that a welcome page are showing in our website. In the front of our website, the welcome page with our company name and our website name, and it also have a shop now button which is also clickable. And after that a new section, the features product, where we can show our features product, which is in a new product in our website. So we can show all these things in this section. And after that a special promotion in our website. We promote lots of companies product, so here we show our promotions. And you can also see the hover effect, stacking effect, which is done by using the CSS. You can see when we deploy cursor on that card, you can see the hover effect, stacking effect which show here. You can also see that effect on a special promotion section, you can see it. And after that the review of our company, our customer, sorry, you can see the review of our customer are showing here, which is the optional section, but I have created it for the fill all the pages of our page. So after that you can see the features collection, the most important collections of our website, collections 1, collections 2 and the collection 3, where we show the high prices product and the super product. And after that latest blog sections, you can see here the latest blog post section, where we can also deploy our blogs about the company, about the product, about the website. And after that you can see a form filling area. In this contact section, the user and the customer can fill their name, mail and the message, and any report related to website they can fill here and send message. And this section is the ask question, and this whole is the our website overview. And in the next video I will create our HTML pages, and after next videos we create the CSS pages, and in about 3 to 4 videos we complete whole our e-commerce store website. So thank you for watching, keep subscribing our channel, wait for new videos. Thank you.